Hey guys, so welcome back to Delph Stack, and today I will be showing you how to see who owns a Discord server. So first things first is you could just simply go ahead and go to Discord, and now here on the Discord, you could just simply open your Discord in your browser, or if you have it downloaded, you could just simply open the software or application. So guys, just simply go ahead and go to one of your server or the server that you want to check out. And now after that, you can just simply go ahead and click on the server name with the drop down, as you can see over here. And now over here, guys, you should be able to see an option over here, server settings. Now guys, over here, you should be able to see people on the left side of the screen, and you should be able to see members. And you should be able to see all of the members. And of course, the oldest one will be the server owner because he is the very first one to join the server. And pretty much, guys, if you go to the Discord server, on the right side, you should be able to see multiple people over here, show member list. And if the person has a crown of something like this, as you can see, it means that this is the server owner because it has a crown. And pretty much you could identify if this person is the owner. And pretty much this one has a crown, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.